way we cook turkey in restaurants. We make turkey in pieces, whole pieces of breast. So I ordered 2, they run about 2 pounds, boneless turkey breasts. So this is all white meat, and this will feed up to 8 people. I put them in a giant cast iron skillet with just salt and pepper. That's all I've done. We've got the oven getting nice and hot to 375. So I've got some melted butter, and I literally just put in equal amounts, about 1/4 cup each, of grainy mustard and an upstate New York girl's best buddy, maple syrup. An enormous amount of rosemary, another good friend of poultry. Everybody's in the hot tub, and you mix that all up together, and this becomes your maple mustard butter glaze. So I'm gonna put a little of that turkey stock in the bottom of our big old cast iron skillet. I'm gonna pour the glaze over the top, and then about halfway through, in about a half an hour, we're gonna baste this sucker. Goldie, can you close this for me? Wow, that's heavy. Okay, birds away. Here's the 2 turkey breasts, just carve them up. Throw a little fruit, whatever you got in the drawer around it, make it look pretty.